Huh?
He's a super evil Voltar. Dr. Frog. Red Menace. Together. League of Super Evil.
People, allow me to introduce you to our newest weapon in the fight against evil, the XGL Prototype Battle Armor. What is it, soldier? Are we under attack?
Not exactly, sir. It's your daughter.
Daddy!
Elizabeth, sweetie. Something wrong with the Cyclone Mega Gauntlet I got you, my little frag grenade?
Yeah. Tiffany Miller has the exact same one. Do you have any idea how embarrassing that is?
Well,
Ooh! I bet Tiffany Miller doesn't have that. Daddy, I want.
wouldn't you much rather have something else instead? Jenkins, get Liz a dog and a sweater. On the double.
I want that! This is hot! Tiffany Miller is gonna be so jealous.
Now, that's not a fashion statement, Elizabeth. It's for fighting evil villains.
I can do that.
Or you could go to the mall.
No. Wait! You're just trying to trick me. You don't think I can fight evil?
No, that's not what I...
Because I can fight evil. As a matter of fact, I'm giving myself an evil fighting name. Lightning Liz. And I'm gonna kick the butt of the first evil villain I see. Later.
I fear for any villain planning a diabolical scheme right now.
Loyal minions, prepare yourselves for my most diabolical scheme yet. The Super Evil Barbecue of Doom!
Cool! Wait, that's all?
Oh, it gets better, Dr. Frog. Much better. We're gonna have a neighborhood barbecue right here in front of the lair and not invite any of the neighbors. You hear that, Steve? You're not invited.
I don't care.
Oh, you will care as soon as we get back from the Mall Mart with burgers, buns, a salad of some sort,
And an inflatable bouncy castle.
yeah, bouncy castle! Ha! Nothing will stop our evil plan!
Ooh, villains!
I bet that exosuit with the jetpack could stop us.
Not so fast, evil doers!
Did you see that? We're being attacked by an actual crime fighter! Yes! When you're as diabolical as we are, people take notice!
Time to put a stop to your evil plans.
Yes!
Wait, is she talking about our barbecue party?
Evil barbecue party.
You really are a real superhero. Do you have a cool superhero name?
Duh, of course I have a cool superhero name. It's Lightning Liz.
Ooh.
She scares me.
Not to worry, Frog. We'll let our fearsome henchbots take care of her. We got a bouncy castle to buy! Henchbots, attack!
That was an XGL battle armor, Voltar. We're toast. We have to tell her we're just having a regular barbecue.
Hey, look! He's still smiling!
She's chasing us! She's chasing us! This is so cool!
We're gonna get blasted!
Watch and learn, Frog.
We actually made it!
Get in that parking spot and come on!
Quickly, to the store!
Remember where we parked!
So, you think you can rob the Marlow Mart? Not on my watch!
Mustard, ketchup, relish! Let's go, Frog!
We're going too fast!
Buns! Grab the buns! Oh, wait. Ugh. That's better.
Gotcha! Feel the lightning!
Wow, she's a lousy shot.
She's good enough.
To the meat case!
Roger that, Voltar!
No! Bad Gumageddon! Bad!
Hey, look! Hot dogs!
And we're the ones about to get roasted!
Get back here, you evil bad guys!
Did you hear that? She called us evil.
Take that!
I know I have my coupons in here somewhere. There's pictures of my grandkids.
Express lane!
We have more than 12 items!
Curse it!
Ooh, cute shoes. Do these come in blue?
1023, 1024, 1025, 1028, 1029.
I'm still not sure. What's your return policy? Hey! Get back here! Put those on hold.
Yes! We have done it!
Have the barbecue.
Wow!
Fire up the grill, Red Menace. We have evil to attend to! Hear that, Steve?
Don't care.
Gotcha!
Have you? As you can see, you are too late. Our evil neighborhood barbecue is complete!
Wait a minute. All you're doing is a barbecue?
Of doom?
That is so completely lame.
It's not! It's evil!
You mean I could have been out stomping real bad guys? Ugh, I'm gonna destroy you just for wasting my time! Huh? Let me in there, you little twerp!
Never!
She's going for the bouncy castle!
With that armor on, she's just too powerful. Wait, maybe we could...
You got something? What is it?
It would never work.
Frog, plan, now!
Okay, but I'm warning you, it's a long shot.
Last chance, super losers!
For your eyes only, the newest, most exclusive trends in hero attire.
Oh, a fashion show! Ooh, this had better be good, or I'm gonna destroy you twice for wasting even more of my time!
Yeah!
What is that supposed to be?
It's, European.
Oh? Really?
The YGL battle armor. The XGL is so last season.
Last season? Please, look stylish. Tiffany Miller is gonna be so jealous. Excuse me, where's the jetpack? Just kidding. It's European, remember? Nobody jetpacks in Europea. Later.
Yes! We just defeated an actual superhero! We rule. Red, fire up the grill.
She grilled our grill. What do we do now?
I'll miss you, Grilly.